Shawty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the ghost.
What's up, guys? So I know I always talk about a good warm-up or glute activation prior to my workout, but there are several other steps that I take prior to training legs. Along with the normal, which is stretching, foam rolling, and glute activation, I also work on my ankle mobility. So today I will be showing you a few clips of my ankle mobility and stability routine. So I've been using my wooden balance board that I got from PROSOURCEfit.com. I will leave a link to this item down in the description box. This balance board is great for in-home or gym physical therapy after an injury. It only weighs 3.2 pounds, so you can travel with it. The PROSOURCE wooden balance board improves balance and core strength. It has a 360-degree rotation with a 20-degree tilting. It supports up to 300 pounds, and as I mentioned before, it only weighs 3.2 pounds. For me, this board is great for ankle rehab, but if you would like to get in a total body workout, it's good for that also. You can do things like squats, planks, and even mountain climbers. So if you would like to see a full total body workout with this item, do me a favor, comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more workout videos. Thanks for watching. Here I'm just showing you how much faster I can go with my right ankle compared to my left.
She that bitch, she a dollar, not a dime. Super big, super fine, most important, super smart.